Good morning! Today is Elephant Day! For the past several months as we've been on this trip, whenever we come across friends or family, they like to ask, what are you most excited about or what are you most looking forward to? And the one thing I really wanted to do is see elephants in Thailand. So happy and excited that the day has come and we're going to take you along with us. So when we got to Chai Lai Orchid, I have to say it was a little bit overwhelming. All of the buses were coming in for the day. They do have, I guess, bungalows or hotel rooms there, so it's not just people coming in for day tours, it's people checking in to stay, but it was all very efficient. We paid a little bit of a deposit, so we had to settle the rest of the balance, and once we did that, we headed off with our private guide, Napakun. And as soon as you walk away, you just feel like you're in another world. Gorgeous. He's just popped up to get us some fruit to try off the trees. And I was talking about how there's medicine all around, all the plants. We just passed one that you can use it and kind of wet it and use it for some antiseptic, so really interesting. See what he finds. Wow!
For you. Ah, thank you. Lovely.
So what are these?
Hmm?
What are these fruits?
Ancient fruit.
Ancient fruit.
Ancient. Oh wow, thank you. No? This nice? Hold on. Oh! Sour? Not much. I've never had any of this before. That is a...
Oh.
What is that again?
Lemon, like a lemongrass.
No, lye leaf.
Lye leaf. Smells like lemon.
Yeah.
But it can go in the curries. Just picked off some chilies here to include in the lunch today.
Good lemongrass in there too? Yes.
Got lemongrass.
Did you pick a bit? I love that smell. It almost smells like a lime, but it's obviously lemon, right?
Yeah. Up to you.
You singing your nose? Oh, I think you got to grab their wrist there, right?
Yeah.
But it all grows around here, yeah? Yeah. Hi, Temo.
Temo, Fireman. Bye bye, Temo. Good morning. We want to drink the milk.
We are currently making our way down to the river. It's supposed to be about half an hour walk, but we are essentially walking through a farm right now. And as you might be able to tell, it's a lot of corn. What we learned is that corn is a lot of what the elephants eat. So they eat the leaves, they eat the stem, and I'm assuming probably the corn as well. To cross the river, we effectively walked up a big log that's now a makeshift bridge. But what I didn't anticipate was how many ants would be all over the railing. So thousands of ants. They didn't bite or anything though, so just a funny little memory. Currently attempting not to fall off the trail here. I thought I was going to be courageous enough to jump in, but I watched Napa Coon do it. He made it look so easy, but then he let me know that there's a lot of rocks that I couldn't see, and I got nervous. That's the last thing I need to do is hit a rock or hurt my leg. I'm very clumsy anyway, so probably don't need to help it along at all.
Look,
Oh, for a drink.
it's really cool.
Nice. We've just made it to our hut for lunch, so our guide's gonna prepare some lunch for us. Just a little bit out of breath. I've been walking uphill for a while. The river was really nice. We'd stop and check out the falls. It was a bit of a difficult hike. I don't know if it's my shoes or the fact that I'm like a baby deer in a 40-year-old body, but I was having trouble getting my foot placement sometimes, but it wasn't too bad. It's really beautiful. And now we're here. This looks amazing. Thank you,
Thank you.
so
Thank
much.
you.
Looks great.
Soup.
Yeah.
Enough for you.
Amazing soup. Yes. Best soup.
So, you can...
Oh, that's really good.
Just fill it.
Mm-hmm.
Must be stalking them.
No, he made it all.
No? Good.
Mm-hmm.
Very good.
Hello.
Compliments to the chef. Thank you.
Blue Pado. My
Amazing lunch. Are you gonna come to the loo with me? Huh? A little privacy, please. Bye, guys. Bye.
This one, her name Mutabe.
Mutabe.
Mutabe. Her name. Mutabe, 40 years old.
Mutabe, me too. I just
Ah.
turned 40.
Wow.
Yeah, Mutabe, that's my
You older than me.
Yeah. Yeah.
I 37.
37.
Older than me 3 years.
I want to say I have favorites, but she just turned 40 also, so it's my girl.
This one's salt.
Oh yeah.
Put like it, yeah. Salt. No.
Oh, like Salt Bay. How much?
Give me
All of it?
all that. This one is here for elephant for the teeth. Here.
Oh, okay.
That's here.
Yeah.
This one the leaf for the tamarind. Tamarind leaf. For sour. So banana.
Oh, yeah.
Banana.
Oh, thank you.
Banana is good for the elephant.
Yeah.
Khăn anh for the leaf. Khăn anh bố bố. Đi bạn lấy đi lọt.
Getting in the river with the elephants was really cool. Wow. We're friends now.
Yeah.
Thank you, Napakun.